looking.
I'm gonna get back.
Yeah.
Come on.
What?
That's really high.
This is Quinn being the biggest personality in the group. And I didn't think that was possible, knowing Emery, but apparently it is.
No, guys, jump me.
No, jump me too.
No, yeah,
Jump me 3.
jump us. No, jump one person at a time. Wait!
After Abby, I
can't
call
do
second.
y'all.
I call second.
Y'all like to wait
I
to
call
go.
second. I call second. I call second.
You guys don't
I call third. I call second.
You guys don't jump
Once
near
again,
my head.
capitalizing on the inhuman, the non-humanness of the recording.
Daddy. Okay, my
Oh
turn.
no, this can only end in tragedy.
Daddy.
Yeah. Ow.
Such a dark Quinn.
Ow! Ow! I know, wait.
Yes, Emery?